How to remove a serpentine belt from a 2008 to 2012 Chevy Malibu. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. We have this 2009 Chevy Malibu with the 4-cylinder ECOTEC motor. You need to remove the serpentine belt. In order to get to that, you have to take off this engine cover and the air box. Take the complete air box out. That'll give you access to the serpentine belt to remove it. The first step is to remove the cover. Remove the oil cap and set it aside so I can lift the engine cover up. I'm actually going to put the cap back on underneath the cover like that. So now with that done, I'm going to loosen this flathead for this clamp and remove it. Okay, and next there's a hose with the clamp right here. You may have to use pliers to remove this. I know that on this car I can just pull it off, so that's what I'm going to do. And now this cover should come away from the engine. So on the underside of the cover, there's a clamp that goes onto the throttle body, which is here, but I was still able to lift it up without having to undo that clamp. So now we can remove the air box. I'm going to disconnect this electrical connector by pushing down on the tab and pulling. So that's out. And then I'm going to push in the two tabs, one here, and the top can be set aside. So I just took the top off and set it aside out of the way. The filter is still in the air box. There's only one bolt holding it into the car, which is right here. So I'm going to remove that bolt, and then the air box will come out. The one bolt securing the air box is the 10mm. So I'm going to remove this bolt, and then the air box should come right out. Okay, with the 10mm bolt out, I can pull the air box and pull it towards the windshield, and it'll come right out from the car. With the air box and cover out, you can see the serpentine belt. You can get to it and remove it. There's a spot on the pulley for the belt where you will attach a regular 3/8 ratchet to get the belt off, and that spot is right here. Right here is where you're going to put your ratchet to move the tensioner in order to get the belt off. So that's where it goes. I'm going to hook the ratchet on so that you can see it. So I have the ratchet in position right now so that you can see where it needs to be. And once you use the ratchet to loosen the tension, you can slide the belt off, which I've done, so I should be able to just pull it out. And that's how you remove the serpentine belt from the Malibu. And installation is just the reverse of what you did to remove it. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.